Hi everyone, welcome back to Concept Branch with Riddhi. If you are new here, I'm Riddhi and this channel is dedicated to breaking down concept in a way that's simple, fun and easy to understand. Today's video is all about the trigonometry functions and identities, taking your problem solving skill to the next level. This is the second part of our series and we'll tackle 8 careful selected questions that will help you ace your class 10th exams. Okay, these are the 8 questions you can see on the screen, right? So let's break it out, these answers. Okay, make sure to have your notebook and pen ready because these problems is going to challenge you, but don't worry, I will guide you through step by step. And if you don't watch the part 1 yet, make sure to check it out later for a strong foundation. All right, let's start it. This is our first question. Let's solve this question. In this question, what is given? X is equal to a secant theta plus b tan theta and y is given as a tan theta plus b secant theta. So we have to find out these values, right? And prove it as well. So let's start with the LHS part. What it just says in the LHS? In LHS, it's given x squared minus y squared. Okay, let's put these values. So it will be a secant theta plus b tan theta whole square minus a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square, right? Over here we'll apply the identity a plus b whole square. We can write as a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Let's open the bracket. So it will be a square secant square theta plus 2 times a secant theta times of b tan theta plus b square tan square theta, right? Second part start with the minus, so we won't open the bracket right now. First we'll solve inside the bracket. Okay, so minus of a square tan square theta plus 2 times a tan theta times of b secant theta plus b square secant square theta. Now let's open the bracket. So it is going to be a square secant square theta plus, let's write in order, 2ab secant theta times of tan theta plus b square tan square theta. Now let's open the bracket with the minus. So it's going to be minus of a square tan square theta minus, right in order, 2ab secant theta times of tan theta minus of b square secant square theta. These look same, it will cancel out. Let's take common the a square first. So a square, what's the remaining? Secant square theta minus of tan square theta, correct? Over here b square common, tan square theta minus of secant square theta. If you see that, this is one identity. What is that? Secant square minus tan square theta is 1. But what about the opposite one? So we can write as a minus 1. Okay, let's write the value. So a square, this value will be 1 plus b square, this value will be minus 1, correct? So it will be a square minus b square, that is equal to your RHS, hence proved. This is our second question. In the second question, you can see the value of a cube is given and the value of b cube is given, and we have to prove this part. So let's take the LHS and let's solve it. So the LHS is here a square b square a square plus b square. Okay, so you can see there is a value of a square we have to find, and the given is what? A cube. Let's convert this to the square. So a cube is what? Cosec theta minus of sine theta. Let's convert cosec into the sine. So 1 divided by sine theta minus of sine theta, right? Let's take an LCM. So sine theta 1 minus sine square theta. So it will become what? Cos square theta divided with the sine theta, and this is your a cube, right? From here you have to understand. What you have to understand? Look, when you will take the cube root of a cube, it will be what? It will become the a to the power 3 to the power 1 over 3 and it will become a. Simply same thing with the cos square theta. Okay, if we'll take the cube root of this, it will become what? Cos square theta whole to the power 1 over 3. So it will become cos 2 by 3 theta. Simply with the sine theta, if we'll take the cube root, So it will become sine to the power 1 over 3 theta. So we'll take the cube root here. So simply the a will be what? Cos 2 by 3 theta, and it will become sine 1 by 3 theta, right? So if we'll find out the a square value, it will be simply cos 4 by 3 theta divided with sine 2 by 3 theta. Okay. Let's find out the b square value. Okay. So here we can find out the b square value. So first of all, it's given b cube. What is given here? Secant theta minus of cos theta. What we can write here? So we can write 1 over cos theta minus of cos theta. Let's take an LCM. It will be cos theta and 1 minus cos square theta, right? 1 minus cos square theta we can write as a sine square theta divide with cos theta, and this is your b cube, right? So the b, same way, what we can write? Sine 2 by 3 theta, and we can write here cos 1 by 3 theta. So the b square value will be what? It will be sine to the power 4 by 3 theta and cos 2 by 3 theta. So in the last, we have to find out the LHS part. Let's write the LHS part and put all these values. So a square. What is the a square? Look. Cos 4 by 3 theta divide with sine 2 by 3 theta. Next, what is that? The b square, right? Let's write the b square. What is the b square? This one. Sine 4 by 3 theta divide with cos 2 by 3 theta, right? Next part is what? A square plus b square. Again, put this value a square. So it will be cos, sorry, I write little bit up. Cos 4 by 3 theta divide with sine 2 by 3 theta plus, what is a b square value? This one again. So it will be what? Sine to the power 4 by 3 theta divide with cos 2 by 3 theta. Correct? Let's solve it now. So here, what I will do? Look here. I've changed the color to make you understand. This is 4 by 3 and this is 2 by 3, right? So suppose something is a power. Let it be, for example, this is x to the power 4 by 3 and this is x to the power 2 by 3, right? What we can write? We can do x to the power 4 by 3 minus of 2 by 3. Let's take an LCM. So this is 3, right? 4 minus 2, it's going to be x to the power 2 by 3, correct? So similarly, we can write for the sine as well. Let's do that again. So here, what is remaining for the cos? Cos 2 by 3 theta, and for the sine it will be sine 2 by 3 theta. Clear? Next, for the case of this one, what we can write? Look, take an LCM. So sine 2 by 3 theta times of cos 2 by 3 theta. Okay, look at here now. If we'll divide this sine 2 by 3 theta with this, what is the remaining? 2 by 3 theta, right? So with this 2 by 3 theta, what we'll do? We'll multiply with this one, correct? Let's do that. So cos 4 by 3 theta times cos 2 by 3 theta, right? What will be? Cos 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 theta, right? So cos 6 by 3 theta, that is cos square theta. So instead of this, we can write cos square theta, and similarly here we can write as a sine square theta, right? So cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. Now here simply this part we can write as a 1, and this cancel with this and this cancel with this, so we can write finally as a 1, that is equal to your RHS. Clear? Our third question, take the LHS part. What is that? X by a to the power 2 by 3. Write the x value. A cos cube theta divide with a whole to the power 2 by 3 plus. b is here. Write the y value. b sine cube theta whole to the power 2 by 3. From here we can cancel the a and here we can cancel the b. Remaining, just write it. Cos cube theta whole to the power 2 by 3 plus sine cube theta whole to the power 2 by 3. So we can cancel easily the 3. We can write cos square theta plus sine square theta, and that is equal to 1 with the help of identity, which is equal to the RHS. Okay. This is our fourth question. In this question, we'll discuss the value of secant theta minus tan theta in the term of x if it is given for you. This is my favorite question. So here the identity we know, secant square theta minus of tan square theta, that is equal to 1. Apply the identity a square minus of b square. What will be? A plus b times of a minus b. So here just write it. So can we write like that? Secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus of tan theta equals 1, right? According to the question, the given that secant theta plus tan theta is x, and this value we have to find it, correct? So what will be? Secant theta minus tan theta is going to be 1 over x. This is the answer. But wait. I'll tell you one more thing. It's very interesting. Suppose in this case, if I say find out the value of cos theta, how will you find? Because this question sometimes they ask in the exam, right? Let's do that now. So according to the question, you know secant theta plus tan theta is what? X. And now we just got the value. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to what? 1 over x. Can we solve it? Let's solve it now. If we'll add them, it will cancel. So secant theta plus secant theta will be 2 secant theta equals x plus 1 by x, correct? So from here, secant theta will be what? Let's take an LCM. So it will be x squared plus 1, right? So secant theta will be what? It will be x squared plus 1 divided with the 2x. This is your secant theta value. So can we write the cos theta value? So cos theta will be what? Just flip it. So 2x divided with x squared plus 1. And this is your final answer. Okay. This is our fifth question. In this question, we have to find out this value, correct? Let's find out this value. So what is given for us? 5x is equal to secant theta, right? So can we write x is equal to secant theta divided with 5. What is the value of x squared then? It will be secant squared theta divided with 25, correct? We can write this thing. Next, similarly, 5 by x is what? Tan theta. Square it both sides. So it will become 25 divided with x squared equals tan squared theta, correct? So from here 1 by x squared will be what? Tan squared theta divided with 25. Let's put everything in the value. So the value is 5x squared minus 1 over x squared, correct? Let's put this value. So 5. What is x squared? So it is secant squared theta divided with 25, and 1 by x squared is tan squared theta divided with 25, correct? So let's take 25 common. It will be secant squared theta minus of tan squared theta. So secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is 1. So it will be 5 times 1 over 25, and answer will be 1 over 5. This is a final answer. Okay. Sixth question. In this question, we have to find out this value. Since you can see this is MCQ, right? Let's solve this one. So 1 plus cot theta minus of cosec theta and 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Let's solve this. Okay. I'm converting everything into sine and cos. Okay. So it's going to be what? It's going to be 1 plus cot theta we can write as a cos theta divided with sine theta minus 1 over sine theta. This will be 1 plus sine theta divided with cos theta, and this will be 1 divided with cos theta. Okay. Now let's take an LCM. So it will be sine theta. This will be sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, and this part, let's take LCM for the cos theta. It is become cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Now we have to focus something. Till now we have studied a squared minus b squared is what? A plus b times of a minus b, correct? Vice versa is also possible. So it means a plus b times of a minus b can write as a square plus b square. So we have to basically find out the a square plus b square, right? Reorder it in proper way. Can we write like that? Sin theta times of cos theta. The upper part, can we write like that? Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, correct? And this one, rearranged it. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1, correct? Can we say this part as a and this part as a b, correct? Okay, rethink it. Okay, so it will be what? So from here we can write as a sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus of 1 square divide with sin theta times of cos theta, correct? Next, okay, let's open the bracket now. What we can use? A plus b whole square we can use here. So a square plus 2ab plus of b square. So it is going to be sin square theta plus 2 sin theta times of cos theta plus cos square theta minus 1 divide with sin theta times of cos theta, right? So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and minus 1 will cancel out each other. What is the remaining part? 2 sin theta times of cos theta divide with sin theta times of cos theta. Sin theta, cos theta cancel, answer is 2. So if you see the MCQ here, the answer is 2. Okay. This is our 7th question. Let's find out this value. Over here, we have to find out this value, right? And the value is x and y is given. Let's do this. So the question says b squared x squared plus a squared plus y squared, right? Let's put this x value and y value here. So b squared, x value is what? A cos theta whole square plus a square b sin theta whole square, right? So it's going to be what? B squared a squared cos square theta plus a squared b squared sin square theta, right? Let's write it properly. From here we can write a squared b squared cos square theta plus a squared b squared sin square theta, right? We can take a squared b squared common. It will become a cos square theta plus sin square theta, and we know this value is equal to 1. So simply we can write a squared plus b squared. So answer for this question is A. Okay, this is the last question. Okay, let's discuss this value. Again, we have to find out these values, right? Let's find it out. What is that? Let's write the answer. 2 sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta minus 3 sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta, correct? So one by one we'll find these values and we'll go for the another thing. Okay, let's do that now. So sin to the power 6 theta, okay, plus cos to the power of 6 theta. Can we write like this? Sin square theta whole to the power cube. So 3 times 2 is 6, same thing, right? Plus cos square theta whole to the power cube. Now we'll write the formula here. A cube plus b cube. What is that? A plus b whole cube minus 3a squared b minus 3ab square. Let's use this formula here. So what we can do? We can write sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 sin to the power 4 theta, right? Because it's a square, and cos square theta minus 3 sine square theta times of cos to the power 4 theta, correct? Sine square theta plus cos square theta will be 1, so it will become 1 cube minus 3 sine to the power 4 theta times of cos square theta minus 3 sine square theta times cos to the power 4 theta. What we can do here? We can take common sine square theta plus cos square theta, right? So 1 minus 3 sine square theta times of cos square theta. I'll take common, and what is the remaining? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Again, this part will become 1. So 1 minus 3 sine square theta times of cos square theta we can write, correct? So this is the value of sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. Okay, let's find out the another part. What is that? Sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. We'll do in the same way. What we can do? Can we write like that? Sine square theta whole to the power square plus cos square theta whole to the power square. We know the formula a plus b whole square is what? A plus a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? We need the value of this. So can we write like that? A plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square. Let's do this now. So we can write in this term sine square theta plus cos square theta whole to the power square minus 2 sine square theta times of cos square theta. This value will become 1, right? So 1 square minus 2 sine square theta times of cos square theta. So we can write the value of sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. We can write 1 minus 2 sine square theta times of cos square theta, right? Now put everything, this value in the original term. What is the original thing? This one, correct? What is that? We can write here 2, right? Sine to the power 6 theta, we can write this value, correct? And for this value, we can write this one, right? Correct? So this is the 2 minus of 3 of this value. Let's do that now. So 1 minus 3 sine square theta times of cos square theta and minus 3. 1 minus 2 sine square theta times of cos square theta, right? Let's solve it out. What will be? Open the bracket now. 2 minus 3 times 2 is 6 sine square theta times cos square theta minus 3 minus minus plus 6 sine square theta times cos square theta. Plus minus will cancel out. So finally 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 is the final answer. So according to our option C is the correct one. Hey guys, that is for the today's session, trigonometric functional identities. I hope you found these 8 questions insightful and helpful for your exam preparation. If you have any doubts or if there's a specific problem that you like me to explain in details, feel free to drop a comments below. I love hearing from you and your feedback helps me create better content for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Concept Brunch with Riddhi so you never miss out on more exam focused content. Keep practicing, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video, the cosine rule. Until then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.